data scientists, the datasets we work with aren't always cute, small, and memory efficient. Sometimes they become a bit much, wreaking havoc on our memory and slowing down performance. And to many, this seems unfixable. Query mode allows you to work with data of any size without worrying about memory limits. The full results never leave your warehouse, and instead Hex returns a small preview along with a query object that can be used in downstream cells. Typically, when you write a query, the cell returns all of the rows and the results are saved as a data frame, shown with this little green output variable. When we turn query mode on, we instead get a small preview and our output variable goes through a sort of metamorphosis. Query mode only pulls in a subset of our table, so this new query object acts as a pointer to the full table still stored in the warehouse. By clicking on this table dropdown, we can turn query mode on for this SQL cell only. Even though we altered how the cell works, our workflow doesn't really need to change much. We could do something like a simple filter, or we could do something like linking multiple cells together. This is called chain SQL. You should know this by now. You know what else works in query mode? Filter cells. Yeah, and pivot tables. They're all SQL under the hood, so they're like a council of queries. Ooh, wait. I wouldn't put that there though. Query objects don't work in Python like the data frames you're probably used to. When working in query mode, millions of rows of data becomes more manageable. We only get a subset of data, but we can still apply joins, filters, and chain SQL cells as if we had the full thing. Once our data is trimmed down to a reasonable size, we can switch back over to data frame mode, pulling this smaller subset into Hex. This brings our little green friend back to help us carry on with the rest of our analysis.